Yeah. Yeah.
Oh boy, yes sir, yes sir. The Urus right, yo, shit clean as hell. M3 right here.
Back outside.
YouTube, what's good y'all? It's your boy Damon back with another video, and tonight I'm gonna be giving y'all a chill night out cruise inside my brand new Lamborghini Urus. I know ever since I got the car I've not posted a video ever since, but tonight I'm gonna be showing y'all everything that I got done to the car so far, and you know, give y'all a chill night out cruise. Me and my friends is driving around in Miami, feel me? I think I got one of the artist Urus in Miami. I mean, everybody see it and everybody tell me that, and I believe that too. So I'm gonna be showing y'all that. Tonight is gonna be a chill night, bro. Happy New Year to everyone. I hope y'all having a new year so far, and I hope the rest of the year goes great for y'all. And I also hope that for myself, you feel me? So, like I said, if y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like and subscribe, turn post notifications on, and we're gonna have a chill night out. So I'm gonna bring y'all with me, so let's get it. So before I go, I gotta show y'all the drip, you feel me? Got some Nike tee on, Alexander McQueen, and this pants. Shit kinda tough, not gonna cap. Yeah, I said the vibes, bro. I'm inside of Urus right now. Bro, I don't think I showed y'all before, but I did got starlights inside the car. This shit is so fucking beautiful, bro. If y'all got any type of car, bro, that's not a convertible, I believe soft top convertible, then y'all need to get starlights inside that car, bro. Dead ass. Starlights is a different type of vibe, bro. Like, look at this shit, bro. Like, imagine this shit was not here, bro. Like, that shit would be so dead, bro. But this shit is so fucking beautiful, bro. Like, but yeah, I think that's one of my favorite mods to the car. I didn't even do that much mods to the car, bro, ever since I got it, because the car came already tuned with rims on it. It came lowered already. Bro, the car came fucking like fully loaded, bro. Like, this shit got everything. The only thing I did to it ever since I got a car, bro, was put the starlights inside the roof and add these ambient lighting on the door, bro. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But this shit is hard as hell, bro. I was thinking about wrapping it matte black, but I have a few people telling me that I should not because the white stands out. But maybe in the future I'll wrap it matte black. Go fully blacked out with this shirt, bro. But listen to this shit, bro. Bro, what the fuck? And then look at this fucking person in the Discovery, bro. Just came and just stopped right in front of me. Yo, Miami is crazy, bro. Crazy drivers, that's what I hate the most about it. Alright, so I'm currently in Brickell right now. I know it's gonna be, might be a little bit hard to find parking and shit whatsoever, but yeah, I see the vibes, bro. Then we got 12 right over there. I'm gonna take this shit out of sport mode, cause bro, they be going crazy for people with loud exhaust and shit, bro. So I'm not trying to get caught up. Alright, so let's see how soon I can get a parking. Let's see how soon I can get a parking. Oh, let me show y'all the car that's down here. So I got a Urus right here, I got a Hurricane right there, got another Urus right there. Just got another Urus over there. Bro, we got every fucking car. Got a Urus right here. Got a G-Wagon right there. Got a Urus right here. Bro, I'm not trying to drive around like crazy looking for fucking parking, bro. Like, I hate that shit. So I'm gonna go around the block one more time, and then no parking. And I'm gonna put this bitch back belly. I'm not trying to waste my time, bro. This was the Urus I was talking about. This was the Hurricane and the Urus that I was talking about. Oh, this is my boy's fucking M4 right here. I'm gonna be showing y'all, bro, two matte white cars going crazy in traffic. Yeah, but he's lucky he got parking. That's not even parking, bro. No parking inside the towing zone. I hope his shit don't get towed. That shit gonna be fucking towed, bro. Look at that shit. Hopefully he doesn't get towed, but yeah, he's waiting for me right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over there and eat, and I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm over there or when I'm back at the car. So peace. All right, y'all. So look, see the crazy lineup that we got right here. Got M4 right here. Got another M4 right here. We got a boy right here.
Yes, sir.
Got a Urus right. Yo, I'm the only fucking Urus, bro. Got another M4 right here. Shit clean as hell. We got another matching M3 right here. See the vibes.
Back outside.
Yo, this shit crazy, bro. Yo, it's crazy. I should have brought my M, but see the vibes. Look. Yo, it's crazy, bro. I'm the only one that doesn't have an M, bro.
No, you big, bro.
That's crazy, bro. But look, that's the vibes, bro.
You like that shit, huh? That boy.
No joke, bro. See the vibes. See the vibes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So right now we're gonna go to the tunnel. Get out of there though. Drive through the tunnel and shit.
South Beach and back, right?
Yeah, we're just gonna go to South Beach and back. Cops here be bugging sometimes.
Oh yeah, 100%.
100%. I'm
100%.
not gonna go crazy. I know these niggas in the M's, bro, gonna be making mad noise.
What do you know? That shit's crazy. You hear that noise?
Yo, this shit is
Shit.
Yo, look, two white.
Another one.
Yeah. No diddy. No diddy. Yo, pull up. Oh shit. Yo, I'm gonna follow him. We're gonna go to the South Beach Tunnel.
Say less.
I don't know which way he's going, but I'm just gonna follow him. Fuck it. We all going the same place. Shit.
This shit go from 0 to 100 real quick.
This shit is definitely fire, bro. I think I'm actually gonna get a retune. Yo, I'm gonna tell him something. Yo, there's mad cops down there, bro. Just take it easy. Mad cops, just take it easy.
Alright.
I bet.
I got it.
I don't think he know the way there, but
He probably don't.
yeah. Taking this bitch out of fucking course. What this shit be? Yo.
Yeah, these niggas don't play right here. Yeah, they don't play. I'll never forget. They stopped me back there one time. They gave me 7 tickets.
Damn, bro. And it's girls too, but you know they don't know that. Oh, they on lunch break or something.
Yeah,
They're chilling.
yeah.
Fuck them. Bro, I'm not gonna cap. When I'm in the Urus, they don't stop me, bro. When I'm in the Z06, you know that shit's
The vet,
super loud,
it's so loud, yeah.
Bro, they be stopping the fuck out of me, bro. They stopped me right here and fucking arrested me, bro.
No way.
Yeah.
For making noise? It's 2 red ones?
Yeah, it's too red, but M3 and M4.
Nice.
Yeah, I know that. This is the reason why everybody got a lock in, bro.
Facts.
crazy.
Yeah, she's
But
like,
yo, y'all see the vibes, bro? We over here right now. We back at Brickell. But y'all see the vibes, bro. M's after M's.
what do you like more, the Corvette or the Lamb? The Lamb.
It's different, bro. Like this shit is fast.
I feel like this could be like a everyday,
Everyday.
and you still get to like, you know.
Facts. The
But
fucking,
I can't lie though, that's just tough.
the red one, right?
That shit is
Bro,
tough.
That shit is, bro. Like I told him that the wing that he put on that bitch.
Yeah, that shit is tough.
Crazy.
That shit is tough.
Alright, y'all. Y'all see the vibes? Damn truck is I'm gonna pull up right here, bro.
Yeah, man.
Yo, Julie, get it from this side. This side's crazy.
Yo, what's the call of the day, bro? What's the call of the day?
Lock in.
Call of the day. What's the call of the day? Nigga, I hear crickets, bro.
Wait, what's that? What's that?
I said, what's the call of the day, bro?
The thought?
Lock in.
What's the word of the day?
Lock in.
It's grind.
Money.
Cash.
Do more. Money.
Cash.
More, do more, live more. Always, bro.
Cash.
To the vibes, bro.
Every day, cash. That's all that matters, nigga.
I don't know. It don't matter.
It don't matter, bro.
We don't talk to brokies, right?
Fuck that shit.
Yo, but my boy just picked this up like literally a week ago. Brand new.
That shit clean.
That shit clean as fuck.
Tight.
Yeah, I see my Urus right here. Wifey right here, bro. And my boy has this boy right here. Bro, like, this shit is hard, bro. Like, the wing you got in that shit is crazy.
Nah, I can't lie, gang. I can't lie. This shit is tough, gang.
It's tough. The red with the...
Nah. I don't like that color. You scratched it?
Yeah, I'm gonna get it really fucking wrapped up. Oh.
Nah, that's tough.
Alright, y'all. So listen, that's gonna be it for this video. Super tired, super chilling right now. At least y'all see the vibes. You feel me? So that's gonna be it for this video. See y'all in the next video.